In this video, I will show you how to automatically edit videos with Gling AI. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. Upload your raw footage to Gling AI, then select Edit with AI and tap Next. Select Continue. You can then choose options for AI to edit your videos. So you can select Cut Silences, Cut Bad Takes, Remove Filler Words. You can also add Auto Captions, Enhance Audio, Auto Zoom, and a like and subscribe button. Once you have selected your options, simply select Enhance and Edit in the bottom right corner. Once your video has finished processing, you can then make any manual changes that you would like to make. When you are happy with all of the changes and edits, go to the top right corner and select Export. You can then choose the type of file that you would like to export: video, audio, subtitle, shorts. And then you can also select different editing platforms that you would like to use later on. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.